You can improve your relationships without even speaking a word to anyone. This is exactly what I did in this drawing. I felt the communication stuck between myself, my sister, between myself and my father, and also between me and my mother. And my sister being and taking responsibility for both of our parents, and me and my sister not being in any kind of interaction at this moment. So first I drew a shape for myself and a shape for my sister. And I also drew a shape for my mother and a shape for my father. And the shapes are like how I perceive these relationships at this moment. The shape of my sister feels squarey. And then I establish communication between us. I established communication between my father and myself. Expressed communication between my sister and my father. And also between my sister and my mother. But I did not establish any communication between myself and my mother. The main focus I want to emphasize on is the communication between me and my sister. And now I checked, like, how is our communication? Is it like okay like that? And I wanted to come a little bit closer to her. So I drew my circle, I adjusted the size, came closer to her, and I also made her come closer to me. Because that's my intention. And while establishing communication, I went back and forth with my pen here. And I felt like I want to deliver like unconditioned love here. She can be as she is. She doesn't have to do anything for that. And that's what came up for me. Providing unconditioned love for my father as well. And even I was able to provide that same unconditioned love for my mother. And after that, the magic started to happen. Because I was able to draw this, and our communication, this shape emerged, which is basically forming a new route of communication, a new stream of communication which is flowing around this unconditioned love, which is expanding from myself. And one more shape appeared, which was this shape of this huge triangle, which appeared for valuing my sister and showing her that she is being seen by me. And all these interesting processes are supported even by adding the colors and by a flow of energy, this blue flow of energy between, like, through me and my sister, and also by adjusting like circles and squares. Even my mother grew and I was able to draw the core, her divine part and radiance, which is in her as well. And I drew, like, I included the shapes into one single system. That's how you can improve your communication without even speaking a single word by drawing. You open up your own heart, you open up to the flow and stream of life, and you gain a new perspective and a new take on the whole system of communication, like I did on my core family, for example. I invite you warmly to my new founded community, in which we will be drawing interesting topics like that, weekly live. Check out my link in the bio. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.